Huawei is already deep into development of its next flagship smartphone lineup for 2026, and new leaks suggest the company is making some advanced and interesting choices for the camera system on the upcoming Pura 90 series. The focus this time seems to be on improving both the main camera and the zoom camera, with Huawei once again pushing its strength in mobile photography. According to a leak shared by well-known Weibo tipster Digital Chat Station, one of the top 5 Chinese smartphone brands is working on a new flagship lineup with next-level imaging technology. Based on the discussion around the leak, this brand is believed to be Huawei, and the phone in question is the Pura 90 series. The leak gives us a clearer idea of how Huawei plans to separate the standard Pura 90 from its higher-end Pro and Ultra models, especially when it comes to camera hardware. Huawei appears to be using different strategies for different variants, which is something the company has done successfully in the past. Starting with the standard Huawei Pura 90, the phone is expected to feature a 50-megapixel main camera. This sensor will have a 1:1 28-inch size, which is quite large and should allow in more light compared to smaller sensors. On top of that, Huawei is reportedly upgrading its variable aperture technology for this model. Variable aperture has long been one of Huawei's signature camera features. It allows the camera to physically adjust how much light enters the lens, depending on the scene. This helps in bright daylight, low light photography, and even video recording. With an improved version of this technology on the Pura 90, users can expect better exposure control, sharper images, and improved performance in challenging lighting conditions. The zoom camera on the standard Pura 90 is also getting an upgrade. Huawei is planning to use a new 50-megapixel periscope lens. While the leak does not provide full details about this sensor yet, the jump to a higher-resolution periscope camera suggests better zoom clarity and more detailed long-distance shots. Another important part of the camera setup across the entire Pura 90 lineup is the multispectral sensor. Huawei already introduced its second-generation multispectral sensor with the Mate 80 series, and the same technology is expected to be used on all Pura 90 models. This multispectral sensor plays a key role in improving color accuracy. Instead of relying only on standard RGB data, it helps the camera better understand how colors appear under different lighting conditions. As a result, photos should look more natural, with more accurate skin tones and realistic colors, especially in tricky lighting environments. Where things get even more interesting is with the higher-end Pura 90 Pro and Ultra models. According to the tipster, Huawei is testing a massive 1-inch main camera sensor for these top-tier versions. A 1-inch sensor is usually found in professional compact cameras, not smartphones, so this would be a huge step forward. Although the exact details of this sensor are still unclear, early information suggests that it could be a 200-megapixel main camera. Huawei is reportedly testing 2 versions of this sensor, one from OmniVision and another from SmartSens, which is a Chinese camera sensor manufacturer that Huawei has been working more closely with recently. Testing 2 different suppliers shows that Huawei is carefully evaluating performance, image quality, power efficiency, and overall reliability before making a final decision. This also suggests that Huawei is serious about making the Pura 90 Pro and Ultra models compete directly with the best camera flagships in the market. If Huawei manages to combine a 1-inch sensor, high megapixel count, advanced variable aperture, strong zoom hardware, and multispectral color technology, the Pura 90 Pro and Ultra could become some of the strongest camera phones of 2026. For now, the Pura 90 series is still in development, and Huawei has not officially confirmed any of these details. The company is clearly experimenting with advanced camera technologies, and final hardware choices may still change before launch. What remains to be seen is whether Huawei's mysterious new main camera for the Pura 90 Pro and Ultra can truly outperform other flagship camera phones on the market. If these leaks turn out to be accurate, Huawei may once again remind everyone why it has long been considered one of the leaders in smartphone photography.